Hey, man, the current market's not the type of market that I shop in. I think that one could make money, like you're saying. It would be more of a short-term flipping kind of scenario. I'm not willing to risk putting money into real estate because, in my opinion, we're at the near of the top of a bubble, and I can see it popping in the years to come. And so I think that's a really good way to lose money, unless it's a very, very short-term flip. And on the contrary, I think that crypto is a really good buy. As you know, I think that all the time. But right now we're at the bottom. We are at the bottom of the crash of the crypto. We're at the bottom of that correction. So for me to take money that I could put into crypto, which is going to grow tremendously in the next couple of years, and to put that same money into a house is just ridiculous in my mind, like an insanely ridiculous proposition, because I know for a fact I'm going to make so much more on the crypto, and I could make a little bit on a house flip on a short term that requires a tremendous amount of effort, but I also could lose money in a medium to long term on that same property. And so in my mind, the way I'm going to approach it is I'm waiting for the crypto market to boom, to make a ton of money, and then there's going to be a correction of the housing market. It's going to happen, and I'm not in a hurry. I'm willing to wait patiently for it. And at that time, I will then strike and buy what used to cost, $5 million or $10 million, and I'll get it for a dime on the dollar. I'll be picking those things up like for super fucking cheap, because I look at it as a very long-term investment. I'm too busy to fiddle-faddle with short-term flips, where I'm going to use the real estate in the future when it crashes as a way to create a safe haven and diversification for my crypto wealth. And then, because I bought it at a crash, I know that it's only going to relatively go up in the long term, which is exactly what I want. So anyways, that's my viewpoint on the subject of real estate right now.